and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudoz Craze. So, as you all know that winter has started. So today I am going to tell you how to make a very healthy and unique recipe. And that recipe is of Bajra dosa with poha filling. And Kudoz, Bajra is also known as pearl millet. And millets are really healthy to have in winters. But Kudoz, today I am going to take the help of my mama to make this dosa. So let's see how to make this healthy Bajra dosa. Kudoz, now I'm going to try this healthy dosa, and you can have this dosa with any chutney or sauce of your choice. But I want to have it like this only because my mama already added chutneys in this. Wow, this dosa is very crunchy and crispy comparatively to other dosas, and it's very tasty. So Kudoz, actually I'm loving these type of foods a lot. That is why I'm telling my mama to share these recipes with you. And Kudoz, I hope you will try this recipe. And even the taste of the bajra with the poha filling makes an awesome combination. And don't forget to try this recipe, and please like, subscribe and share to my channel, and also tell me in the comment section that how was the recipe of this dosa. Thank you.